Hey guys, welcome back to Electrical Car Repair Live. Our mission at the garage is to save you guys as much money as we can. That's why we make these absolutely free videos and we teach you how to fix your car for free. Let's go ahead and start on it now. In today's video we'll be working on a Chevy Cruze, guys, and if your front windshield wipers, guys, okay, let me explain to you. Windshield wipers do not turn on, guys. Okay, you press the switch on the inside but they don't turn on. We'll explain, guys, which relay is for the wipers. You have a fuse as well, we'll have the video on that. Now we guys have more than 200 videos on this car on this channel, so please guys subscribe. Okay, our mission is to save you as much money, guys, as we can by providing these videos. All we guys need in return, like the video, subscribe to the channel, and please drop a comment below, let us know if the video was helpful. Now this is a 2015 Chevy Cruze, but it should work for the whole generation from 2008 to 2015. So what we guys need to do first, we need to open the hood. Okay, once you open, guys, your hood, you're going to notice that you have a fuse box, okay, next to the battery. That's where the relays will be as well. Now your wipers, guys, okay, they have a wiper motor that's located kind of like right here. You can kind of see it underneath. We have the video that explains how to replace the motor. And you have two relays controlling, okay, the wipers. One is for on and off and one is for the speed. Now we'll need to remove that cover, guys, and this cover has three clips, guys, that we need to remove. Okay, you can see these ends push towards each other and you need to pull up, okay, this way here too, and now one more on this side. The cover will come out. Now the relay that we'll be looking at, guys, is actually relay number 5. Relay number 5, guys, okay, let me just adjust the light, perfect, is this relay, guys, okay, right here. This is the relay for the wipers being on and off. The relay next to it, this is relay number 4, this is for the wiper speed, guys. So if your speed doesn't adjust, that's the bad relay, but if the wipers do not turn on and off, this is the relay. So you grab it, guys, okay, shake it a little bit and pull up at the same time, and this is out, you can see, removed from the box. Now you can find this one listed, guys, in the description of the video below. We'll have it listed there where you can buy it for a good price. We'll also have a video, guys, on the channel that explains how to test the relays, so please check it out. It will be very helpful video to you guys. And once you are ready, guys, okay, the other relay, you just remove it the same way. Okay, and practically those are interchangeable, they're the same number, so you can switch them and see if the wipers will work. So then you just get the new one, and all you have to do, push it in. Okay, don't forget to put your cover, okay, for the fuses, because if you don't put it, moisture and humidity may get in and damage your fuse box. So thank you for watching. Hopefully, guys, the video was helpful and we were able to save you money. We guys have more than 19,000 free repair videos on our YouTube channels. Check them out. We have videos that can save you thousands of dollars in future repairs. Thank you for watching and see you guys next time.